how to show or hide products shipping costs on Bigcommerce. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show it or hide it. First, open your browser and now click settings, and here just scroll down until you find this one, display. Click on it and then go to scroll down until you find product settings, and then here we'll find show product shipping costs. Now you can turn it on or off, and that's it. Then just click yes. If you want to show it, just make sure it's turned it on and then save, and you can hide it again, just turn it off. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.